Hello, boys and girls. What time is it? It's Eureka time. Okay, so today we're going to start with lesson 23. And today's objective is I can look and color problems with the same total on the addition chart. All we're going to do today is be able to look for problems with the same total on the addition chart that we were getting to know yesterday. Our key points. What do we need to know to be successful? Well, we need to know what an expression is, right? And an expression is something that is just like 2 plus 2. Doesn't have a total, doesn't have an equal sign. And there's expressions on our addition chart. Addition, it's plus. It's another word for plus. So I put the plus symbol here to remind you. Addend is a new word we learned yesterday. And addend is another word for part. So in this number sentence, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Do you know which ones are my addends? If you said 2 and 2, you are right because 2 and 2 are apart. So those are our addends in an addition sentence only. And then we also need to know what an addition chart is, which is what we were working on yesterday and what we turned in for what we worked on our problem set and what we turned in our exit ticket. So I put a picture there. How are we going to be successful today? How are we going to be able to solve today's problems? Well, first, we're going to write the totals in the addition chart to make sure that we don't miss anything. And then 2, we're going to identify totals for 10. 3, we're going to identify the total for 9. And 4, identify totals for 8. Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to tell you that you are going to need, from your Learn book, you're going to need page 147. Go ahead and open up your Learn book and go to page 147. Tear out that addition chart template you have. You can tear it out of your book and you will be using it with me today. Page 147. Go ahead and pause the video and press play when you already have torn out page 147. At this point, you should have torn out page 147, and you will also need your colors. You will need red, blue, and yellow. Again, you will need red, blue, and yellow. Go ahead and get your colors. Press pause on the video if you need time to get red, blue, and yellow, and press play when you're ready. Okay, let's get started, boys and girls. Fold your papers to match my chart. So you have your chart from page 147. Make sure you fold it so that only the problems that I'm showing show on your paper. Let me get my highlighter ready. So make sure you fold it so that the problems, again, that are on my paper are showing. Just like this. We only need this part of the chart. Fold it so that you only see this part, or you can cover the rest with a white paper like I did. Press pause if you need more time. If not, let's get ready to continue. What is 5 plus 5 on my signal? Get ready. Yes, 10. What is 4 plus 6? Get ready. Yes, 10. Go ahead and write in these totals on your chart so that we know. So let me go back really quick. On 5 plus 5, write 10. Then on 4 plus 6, write 10. Next, what is 3 plus 7? Get ready. 10. Go ahead and write in 10. What is 2 plus 8? Get ready. Yes, 10. Go ahead and write in 10. What is 1 plus 9? Get ready. Yes, 10. Go ahead and write in 10. What do you notice about the totals? Tell me your answer out loud. You are right. They're all the same, right? The totals are all 10. And it also looks like a staircase. Very good. So help me color in the expressions equal to 10. So get your blue crayon at this moment, and we will color in only the expressions that equal to 10. So mine might look a little bit darker. Try not to color in so dark so that you could still see your expressions and your totals. Since I'm doing it with the computer, might not, I might not be able to color in lighter. But go ahead and color in all the expressions that equal to 10. So all the ones we just reviewed. Just like this. Oh, I just should have colored around it. I barely thought about that. Make sure you color in light so that you're still able to see the expressions. Don't color it in like me because it's hard for me to see my expressions. Make sure you have these expressions that equal to 10 colored in blue. Okay, once I change my slide, my color might disappear. So make sure that you have colored in these 5 boxes. Ready? What is right here where my pointer's at? What is 4 plus 5? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, 9. Go ahead and write in 9 as your total. Let's find the other expressions that equal to 9, and then we will color them red. Ready? So since our totals for 10 went like a staircase, let's follow the same pattern. Point to 3 plus 6. What's 3 plus 6? Get ready. 9. What's 2? Point to 2 plus 7. What's 2 plus 7? Get ready. 9. What's point to 1 plus 8? What's 1 plus 8? Get ready. 9. You are right. Go ahead and make sure that you've been writing in your totals. And now get your red crayon. Let me get my red ink. And let's color in the expressions that equal to 9. So we're going to color in all the expressions that equal to 9. Just like this. Make sure you have these 4 boxes colored in red. What did you notice about these problems? Tell me out loud. Yes, you are right. They all equal 9, or the totals are all 1 less than the ones we colored in for 10, right? They make another staircase. Let's move on. This time, I'm going to give you some time to do it on your own. Look for expressions that equal 8. Write in the total and color them in with yellow. Go ahead and pause the video at this moment so that you can look for the expressions that equal 8. Color them in with yellow. Press play when you've done this. Awesome. At this time, you should have already found the expressions that equal 8 and colored them in yellow. Let's review. So I am going to get my yellow, and if not these staircase equals 9, then I'm going to start right here. What's 3 plus 5? Get ready. 8. So you should have written 8 here and colored in this one yellow. What's 2 plus 6? Get ready. 8. You should have colored in this box this box in yellow as well. What's 1 plus 7? Get ready. 8. This box should have been in yellow too. Remember, it was only the expressions that had a total of 8. What patterns are you noticing? Tell me out loud. Yeah, right? That all the totals of 8 make a slanted line. So they're like another staircase. All the totals for 10 made a staircase, then all the totals for 9, and all the totals for 8. So everything is in a pattern of a staircase. You are so smart. Kiss your brain. Awesome. Okay. Next, we're going to go to your problem set, which is on page. Let me get the page number. We're going to go to your problem set, which is on page 157. Go ahead and find page 157. 157 in your Learn book. When you found page 157, you can pause the video right now and press play when you're ready. At this moment, you should have found page 157. Go ahead and write your name, date, and goal. Remember, it's very important that we always have a heading on our papers. Press pause and press play when you're ready. Awesome. So I am going to do a couple with you, and then the rest you would do during the live session. Our must-do problems, if you want to go ahead and circle them right now, are totals of 10, totals of 9. Those are your must-do problems. You can go ahead and circle them, not with a crayon. You can go ahead and circle them with your pencil. We're using a pencil for our problem set. So go ahead and circle those two. Those will be your 2 must-do problems for today. Let's start. So for the totals of 10, well, you can use your chart that we just labeled today, right? To make things easier. We only did some, though, expressions that equal totals of 10. But we're going to start in a pattern. So we can write, if we go all the way to if you unfold your chart and you follow the staircase all the way to the bottom, your first equation will be 10 plus 0. Sorry about my handwriting. Don't write like that. With your pencil, it should be quality work. 10 plus 0 equals 10. That's the first equation at the bottom of the addition chart. Go ahead and write it in. Then we also have, the next one is 9 plus 1 equals 10. That's the next expression in the staircase. And what's the next one? Can you tell me? If you said 8 plus 2 equals 10, you are right. Then we also have next 7 plus 3 equals 10. What's the next one? Can you tell me? Yes, 6 plus 4 equals 10. We will do up to here, and in the live session, you will finish the rest with your math teacher. Remember, make sure you have all these number sentences already written so that during the live session, we just complete the rest and are able to finish and end on time. Bye, everyone. See you soon.